Okay, so the car pretty much went ass first into the dirt. So the rear end looks a lot worse than the front. So let me show you. Brace yourself. Look at that. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. So I know what you guys are thinking, why not just get a hose and spray it down? But I'd rather hand wash it myself because of the fact that I don't have access to a hose right now, nor do I want to take it to a car wash because I don't really trust anybody else scraping the thing. The paint is not exactly show quality, but I guess it'll be kind of therapeutic exercise to do when it comes to just washing it myself. So here we go. Fronts are done. I did spray them up actually already. And I'm gonna move on to the back now. This is gonna take a while. The sun is already setting outside. Alright, it's already pretty dark out, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the rears. Putting my foot on the bottom. 3. 5. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Not sure if I should hold off on this until another day, but today's the only warm day. It's about 60 degrees here. Well, yeah, which is warm compared to you Cali folk, which is just like practically wintertime over there in California for you guys. But today's the only warm day that I have to sort of work on this, so I gotta get it done. All right, here we go. I think as long as my exhaust looks good, happy. Luckily it works on the passenger side versus the driver's side, so it didn't take that long to clean everything up. So I'm gonna go and drop the car down, and then the only thing left is the bumper. Don't you just love that clicking sound? Let's do it again. All done. Drop it down. At least I can see myself in it, so that kind of makes me happy. So the car is done, and next video I might actually just show you guys my alignment settings and walk you through what different settings might do: more camber, less grip, more grip, that type of thing. Stay tuned.